So we found apple Kit Kat, and we're getting ready to taste it so that if it's delicious, we will be bringing some back for the people we love. But if it's not delicious, and see, this is how much I love y'all, I had to buy it to see if it was good so that I can get it for y'all. If it's not good, then I gotta waste a Kit Kat apple. Apple Kit Kat?
That's what we do. We make those sacrifices.
And, okay, so you take this other piece. Oh, it smells like apple.
Oh my God, it smells divine, guys. Okay. I'm against apple chocolate, by the way. I think chocolate flavored with fruit is a punk ass dessert.
So hold on, same time. 1, 2, 3. I don't understand.
I don't understand that I like it. Oh my God, it tastes like apple.
It does. I'm confused.
And chocolate.
What is happening in my mouth right now? Like, I don't know if I'm getting this for y'all. If y'all,
that was good.
like,
I enjoyed it.
Do it again? I don't know, y'all.
I enjoyed it.
It's not that I dislike it. I just don't know if some of y'all gonna like it.
I'm gonna bring some back.
Thank you. Bye. Okay, so Kit Kat to try. So now we have butter flavored. I don't even know if you can hear us because we out in the mall and it's loud. Okay, so that's butter flavor against my better judgment. This one is strawberry. So try. Okay, break off the butter ones for us. It's gonna be interesting.
Oh, it's weird.
Grab it. All right, so
butter.
Ooh. Tastes like white chocolate to me.
It does.
This tastes like white chocolate, not butter.
It has an oily film on it, though.
What?
It has a greasy film.
Okay. Open that one. It tastes like white chocolate. Oh, now I don't like it.
I don't like it.
It's in my mouth. Now we're trying strawberry. Okay, strawberry.
Ain't got palate, not clean.
Strawberry.
I like that.
Natural Fruit Loop.
You want to take some of this back? You can buy a small box.
All right, we got something for y'all. Strawberry is a win. Apple was a win, but confusing.
Apple was split. Strawberry is a win. And butter is a no. Don't get butter.
Oh, and the green tea one is bomb. We've been eating those. Okay, bye.